Okay. Okay. Slope is our rate of change. This is 81. Slope is our rate of change. Okay. Hold on. So we're going to call our rate of change rise over run. Do you remember how Lucy had the revelation of the y's became our numerator and the x's became our denominator? Our rise is what we call the change in y, and our run is what we call the change in x.
Rise over run.
No, what? Yeah, I said that.
I need you to focus.
Sorry, Miss Elvin.
Okay. So I'm going to draw a purple line. Okay? And I have, you know what? I'm going to draw this purple line. I'm sorry. Actually, just kidding.
Why'd you change it?
To irritate Grady.
This man. Why'd we change it?
Okay, so here I have two coordinates. If I want to calculate the slope, this is what we call the rise. How far do we travel up or down? And then our run is how far do we walk to the right. Stop making noise then. We don't have a lot of time.
You guys walk in.
Okay, rise over run. Rise over run. Now, if we start here at this coordinate and we end up here at this coordinate, okay, I can calculate the slope by looking at the graph and counting rise over run, right? But if we don't have a graph, then this is how we're going to calculate our slope. M stands for slope. And to calculate our rise, our change in y, we're going to take y2 minus y1. That will give us our rise, our change in y.
So then we do x2 minus x1?
Yes.
Yeah.
That will be our run, our change in x. Okay, so this is what you need to be able to do today. We need to be able to take a graph and be like, oh, this is the slope. Or I give you two coordinates and you calculate the slope.
Wait, what is the M again?
M means slope. Remember, math was created first and not English, so sometimes we have letters that stand for things that don't make sense, like M for slope.
Why couldn't letters just be in the alphabet?
Okay, go to the top of the next page. Okay, I'm serious. We will go past the bell if you do not be quiet. Okay, we have 4 different kinds of slope. Positive slope. I want you to think about Miss Homan skiing. And if I were to be skiing up a positive slope, I would have to work really hard.
You would go back down.
Puff, puff, positive. I'd have to work real hard.
I don't want to draw that.
That's okay, you don't have to. It's rising from left to right. There's positive slope. But if Miss Homan was skiing down a negative slope, it would be really nice. Because I would just,
You'd be fine.
I'd be flying. Okay? Now, if Miss Homan was skiing, thank you, sir, on this guy, no, it would be 0 fun. This has a slope of 0.
Oh, so if it's straight, it's 0.
All lines are straight, my dear.
Oh, I meant if it's not a straight line, it's a curve.
Okay, now, what would happen to Miss Homan if I would be undefined. This is undefined slope.
I think you would die.
You're frustrating me right now. Okay, so we're going to go to page 83 and we're going to look at graphs and how to use the slope formula. So we're going to go to these right here. I need you to stop. Okay, look at number 1. Looking at the graph, raise your hand. What is the slope?
Undefined.
Can you not listen?
Undefined.
Okay, our slope is undefined. Now, let's go ahead and practice using the slope formula. Okay, it does not matter which one you choose as x1, y1, which one you choose as x2, y2. I'm going to choose this to be x1, y1, and this to be x2, y2. So when I go to do my formula, I'm going to take y2 minus y1. So y2, that's not true, minus y1. Now I'm going to take x2 minus x1. Okay, are we allowed to divide by 0?
Yes. Yeah.
No. You can divide by 1.
Which is why this is undefined slope. We cannot divide by 0. If the 0 was in the numerator, then we could call our slope 0. But it's not.
What if it was 0, wouldn't it just be undefined too?
Well, if they're both 0.
Well, like if you get the answer and it equals 0, is it just undefined?
If you get like 0 over 4, then that would be an answer of 0.
So that'd be slope of 0?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Now, let's look at number 2. If we have a graph, then we could calculate rise over run. Let's count what's our rise and what's our run.
Your rise is 7.
What? 8.
8, maybe perhaps.
And our run
4.
is 4. So our slope of rise over run would be rise over run 8 over 4, which you would simplify to equal 2.
Do you want me to put the rise over run thing?
No, that was just me reminding you. Okay. Now, let's go to number 3 and let's not use the graph. Let's just use the coordinates. Okay. First of all, what kind of a number should we get?
Negative.
We should get negative slope because it's falling. So I'm going to choose this to be x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay. So if I do y2 minus y1, I would have negative 2 minus 3. If I do x2 minus x1, I would have 3 minus negative 2. Okay. So what do we get in the numerator?
-5.
And in the denominator? What?
No, you get 5.
5.
-1. Is it -1? No, it's -1.